Guys, I have to learn about writing assessments I have class in 3 minutes.
Okay, we can teach you.
Really?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Okay, let's do it.
There are 6 basic types of assessment.
1.
Observation and conferencing.
Perhaps one of the fastest and easiest ways to assess student writing is through observation. To adequately observe student writing, it is necessary that teachers ask questions as a means of clarifying what is being seen. An additional method of assessing student writing is through conferencing. Conferences take many forms. However, the most important thing to remember is that the teacher's role is to be a listener and a guide through the use of questions.
2.
Yo, anecdotal records and writing checklists.
Anecdotal records are great for teachers to record specific details of their students' writing. They can record the records during the lesson, before the lesson, or after the lesson. And these records will help teachers decide if their students are struggling, they need help, or if they're just learning the information the right way. Writing checklist is a way for teachers to check to see if there are any punctuation errors in their writing.
3.
Self-assessment.
In self-assessment, students assume responsibility for assessing and reflecting their own writing. Students assess through the entire process, from their rough drafts to the finished compositions. However, this is difficult because most students have difficulties with dealing with their own egocentricity.
4.
Holistic and primary trait scoring.
Holistic scoring is the general impression of a student's work. It is used for large-scale writing. Primary trait scoring is when students have incorporated specific traits in their compositions. There are 2 steps. Number 1, determine which traits are essential. Number 2, develop a scoring guide.
5.
R, IBC. We've got rubrics.
This brings us to rubrics. Rubrics are used to simplify the grading of our students' writing. They can have 3 to 6 levels of specific areas that our students need to focus on. This helps us see where our students are at and guide them where to go.
6.
Accommodating EL learners.
La mejor forma de evaluar los aprendices de inglés es a través de escritura, logro, proyectos auténticos. A veces los maestros prestan más atención a la competencia lingüística de alumnos y no a su escritura. Algunas maneras de acomodar los estudiantes de inglés es el uso de materiales complementarios para promover la comprensión.